I'm a little bit obsessed with history, and in particular periods of time where people lived through periods of extreme hardship. And one period that I always look at for examples on how to do things around here on the homestead is World War II, in particular World War II Britain, where 60% of their food was imported before the war, and when the war happened they had to produce their own food. And so the government put out all kinds of brochures and documents to help average people grow gardens on their properties using minimal ingredients and minimal supplies that they had lying around. Now during World War II, they didn't have things such as pallets. They didn't have things such as a whole lot of cow manure, horse manure, because most of the animals, livestock, were called off because they weren't considered necessary. And around here, at this particular moment, we don't have any cows. We do have pigs and we have chickens, just not a whole lot of manure around here. And I'm trying to figure out how to have a compost pile using the minimal ingredients that we have. And so we decided to go with a World War II compost pile. Now I'm going to leave a link to this video if any of you guys are interested. I think it was put out by the Ministry of Food in Britain. It's a very old 1940s clip on how to build this compost pile, but that's what we're going to do. All it requires is 4 posts. You can use sticks. You don't even have to use the post if you want, but it does help to delineate the lines. And it shows you exactly how to make a World War II compost pile without using pallets or anything else. It takes all of about 5 to 10 minutes. And this is what we're going to attempt to do for this year to see if it works. And as we go and move the pile, if you watch the video, as we go to move the pile at the end of this season, we'll add lime to it to make it a little more alkaline. So the only thing that we're missing is water, and it's supposed to rain for the next week and a half. So that ought to take care of that for our World War II compost pile. All right, so that wraps it up for this video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.